Hey there, JD and FIA. I'm going to show you the 6, 7, 1, 3, 4 in the key of A flat. All right, you can use this chord progression anytime you're going from the 6 chord to the 4 chord. All right, so if I take a 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. So I'm going to give you these chords real quick. It's very simple. We're in A flat, so our scale is going to go A flat's our 1, B flat's our 2, C is our 3, D flat's our 4, E flat's our 5, F is our 6. I messed up my fingering. G is my 7, A flat's my 1. See if I can get that fingering. Yep. All right. A flat major. All right. So our 6 is going to be our F. All right. So we're going to play an F minor chord, F minor 11. Left hand I'm playing F, C, and F. Right hand I'm playing A flat, B flat, C, E flat. All right. A flat major over F. For my 7, I'm playing a E flat major over G. So left hand I got G. I can play the D if I want to, but I got G. Right hand I'm playing G, B flat, E flat. All right. My 1 chord, playing A flat major. Left hand A flat, E flat. Right hand A flat, B flat, C, E flat. 6, 7, 1. So I'm going back to the same chord that I played over my 6. All right. 3 chord. All right. Left hand I'm going to play it here. Left hand I'm playing C and G. Right hand I'm playing an A flat major chord. C, E flat, A flat. 6, 7, 1, 3. All right. 4, I'm playing a regular D flat major chord and I'm adding the 9. So left hand D flat, A flat. Right hand D flat, E flat, F, A flat. All right. So we have our 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. So if I throw that in the 1, 5, 6, 4 progression, we'll have 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. All right. Very simple progression. 6, 7, 1, 3, 4. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.